Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, go subscribe it. So it's Saturday and I did my everyday morning chores, and after all that I'm here to talk with you. So basically today's video is about kind of planning and setting a routine in my new home because I've just shifted in this new house. If you have seen my previous video, अभी भी यहाँ एक अच्छा routine नहीं बैठा है and I really don't know every day what I actually do. I have made a planner kind of a thing for August, which I'll show you later in my one journal. And I kinda try every day, but the routine नहीं है इसलिए it's not happening. Many things are not happening, especially study तो हो ही नहीं रहा है. करनी है पर टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है या रूटीन नहीं बैठ रहा है ऐसा to actually get started. So this weekend I'm gonna plan all those things, and then from Monday let's get into it, the routine. So yeah, welcome to this vlog. Hope you enjoy it.
Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune. Caught in the rhythm of the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves. Stories that linger on the breath of the breeze. The dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down. And their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor.
Well, after a great hair care routine and good food, I'm gonna tell you now that I'm gonna study because I have an assignment submission on Monday, and I'm thinking to do it right now because अगर कल संडे का कुछ प्लान हुआ and I don't get time to complete my assignment, वाट लग जाएगी. So why to take any risk, and let's just complete it ASAP, and then I'll be back with making a routine with you guys. By the way, I need my phone to do the assignment, so I won't be able to shoot it.
Opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of solitude, I am found. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune. Caught in the rhythm, the stars and the moon. Teach me the language.
Let's get back to the topic now. Why do I want to make a routine, and why do I want you to make a routine for yourself as well? Because what is a routine? It's basically a structure of your day, and the thing is कि see, रूटीन को आई गेस हम लोग थोड़ा सा हाइप अप करते हैं एंड ऑल, बट ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ नीड. लाइक अभी अभी समझ आ रहा है व्हेन आई लुक बैक एंड आई थिंक कि रूटीन नहीं है इसलिए मैंने लिटरली कितना टाइम वेस्ट किया होगा. बहुत, लाइक जेन्युइनली बहुत गाइस. एंड like literally you guys also are scrolling on Instagram and YouTube and watching my videos, so basically कहाँ पे तो भी you guys are also not in a routine. Maybe if you are good, great. Those who are not in a routine, I'm with you guys and we are doing it together. So basically what we are gonna do is we are gonna discuss some points. I'm gonna tell you, we're gonna share it, and then we are gonna make a routine for ourselves and try to stick to it. Of course, we can't be like आज रूटीन बनाया, कल हो गया, आई एम इन अ रूटीन. इट्स डिफिकल्ट गाइस, इट्स डिफिकल्ट. मैं 2 वीक्स, महीना बोलने वाली थी मैं, वैसे भी महीना भी, मैं 2 वीक से ट्राई कर रही हूँ. मेरा रूटीन नहीं बैठ रहा है इस नए घर में. नाउ आई genuinely नीड टू मेक अ रूटीन, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एम मेकिंग द वीडियो. कि यू गाइज ओनली मोटिवेट मी. तुम लोगों के साथ हो जाता है मेरा. सो वी आर डूइंग दिस टुगेदर. Take a book and a pen with you, write your things down, and make a routine for yourself. I have my book with me. So अगर तुम लोगों ने मेरा प्रीवियस वीडियो देखा होगा ऑन टेकिंग कंट्रोल ऑफ माई लाइफ एंड ऑल, वो बहुत पुराना है वैसे, एंड लाइफ हैज चेंज्ड आफ्टर दैट, बट या had to get my life together again. Listed down some priorities, and then um, we are now gonna make a routine. So for the routine, what are we gonna do? अगर तुम लोगों ने priorities list down नहीं किए तो कर लो. Literally, I'm telling you right now. Pause the video, write down in your book your priorities. Okay? Was my list of priorities, like इतनी बड़ी list थी. So yeah, categorize it. Priorities को categorize कर लो. Work, fitness, physics, health, finance, hobbies, anything. Like just categorize it. Family, friends, time किसको कितना देना है, and all. Okay? First of all, prioritize 8 hours sleep. 8 hours sleep प्रायोरिटाइज करो बच्चों लोग. करना पड़ेगा. 2 बजे सो के नहीं चलेगा, 12 बजे सो के भी नहीं चलेगा. मतलब मेरे लिए, तुम लोग तुम्हारा रूटीन के हिसाब से देख लो. मेरे लिए 11 बजे सोना इज सोना. लाइक आई हैव नो एक्सक्यूज, लिटरली. कल सुबह जल्दी उठना है मुझे जल्दी उठना है मेरे रूटीन के हिसाब से. तुम लोग तुम्हारा देख लो, पर प्लीज रूटीन अच्छा रखो. 12 के पहले सोना प्रेफर करो प्लीज. या आती है मुझे 11 बजे नींद आजकल. इट्स नॉट हार्ड. ओके, पर लाइक इफ यू आर स्लीपिंग एट 2 AM राइट नाउ, ओके, धीरे धीरे टाइम कम करो. फिर ड्रास्टिकली 11 बजे नींद नहीं आने वाली है. फिर तुम लोगों को 1 करो, फिर 12 करो. ब्रिंग इट डाउन. ब्रिंग योर स्लीपिंग टाइम 12 के पहले. ओके, मैं डांट क्यों रही हूँ इस वीडियो में? मेरा मूड अचानक बहुत वियर्ड हो गया है. ओके, सॉरी. सो 8 hours स्लीप हम लोगों ने कर ली. ओके, लेट मी राइट माई थिंग्स डाउन. लिस्ट डाउन द थिंग्स जिसका टाइम तुम लोग बदल ही नहीं सकते. फॉर मी इट्स कॉलेज, राइट. तुम लोगों के लिए स्कूल हो सकता है, क्लासेस हो सकते हैं, कॉलेज भी हो सकता है, ऑफ कोर्स जॉब हो सकता है. सो लिस्ट डाउन द थिंग्स जिसका टाइम तुम लोग चेंज नहीं कर सकते हो. फॉर मी इट्स कॉलेज, एंड ट्रैवल का टाइम भी. सो आई विल वेक अप एट 7 AM. ओके, एंड मुझे कॉलेज को निकलना पड़ता है टिल 11:30 AM. सो आई हैव ऑलमोस्ट 4.5 hours फॉर माई मॉर्निंग शेड्यूल एंड फॉर माई मॉर्निंग रूटीन. एंड आई हैव माई कॉलेज टिल 5. ट्रैवल बैक करने के लिए और 1 घंटा, 6 बजेंगे मुझे अप्रॉक्स घर आने के लिए. सो 6 o'clock आई विल बी एट होम. एंड उसके बाद सम रिजुविनेशन, चाय टाइम, उस सब में तो 1 घंटा पकड़ ही लो. आई preferably do my hobbies at those time, cause like I like playing PT, right, harmonium, so I like doing that. So mostly चाय के साथ पेटी बजा लिया 1-2 दिन, या फिर I'm kinda trying to play some tunes on guitar also, so I'll also do that maybe, or maybe just talk with my mom and spend that time. So it will be a 1 hour chillax session, basically rejuvenate. कॉलेज का पूरा थकान निकाल देना है उस टाइम में. So 6 to 7 will do that. मतलब मैं तुम लोग क्योंकि कुछ लोगों का स्कूल या कॉलेज सुबह होता है, so you can do that also. I'll help you with that also. I can just give an idea maybe, but we'll do that also. 7 o'clock when I'm done rejuvenating, maybe I think I should be doing something like Okay, how about 7 to 7:30 walk or 7:45? 7:45 to 8:30 we'll have dinner, and then 8:30 to 10:30 or maybe 10 we'll study, and then 10 to 10:30 we'll read a book, maybe novel or self growth book, and then 10:30 we'll keep our phone aside and we'll journal or something until 11 we'll sleep. I find this perfect, guys. Best. 7 to 7:45 or 40, maybe 40-minute walk is a good amount of walk. One more thing, that when you're making a routine now, just coordinate with your family or with whomever you're living with, maybe your partner or maybe your roommate and all. Coordinate with them that तुम्हारा time or उनका time kinda matches in the sectors where you are dependable on them. Okay, I'm ready with my tentative routine right now. So for morning routine, I'm thinking like, while I do some things, I just wanna like time allot करना है उस चीज़ों के लिए. So basically, I drink a glass of hot water every morning. So that's in my task for every morning routine. A glass of hot water. Then I journal down my like you saw in this vlog also, how I write down gratitude task, top 3 tasks of the day and affirmation every day. पर क्या हो रहा है, कभी कभी वो होता है, कभी कभी वो नहीं होता है, एंड दैट्स बिकॉज मैं रोज सुबह जल्दी नहीं उठती हूँ. इफ आई डोंट हैव टाइम, मुझे वो याद ही नहीं आता है कि आई हैव टू राइट दिस जर्नल डाउन, एंड कभी कभी नहीं होता है वो. सो दैट्स अ रूटीन थिंग, जर्नलिंग. देन वी हैव exercise, of course, guys. Breakfast, bath, skincare, get ready with me, and yeah, getting ready for college and all. If I have some more time, I'll maybe have some revision study in the morning. I'll read my book and all. So I guess I almost had this routine, but the thing is, I'm not waking up early, so I'm feeling like I don't have a routine. But the thing is, अगर मैं time to time जल्दी उठी और सोई, तो I'll kind of be able to pull this routine off. But I guess you also got an idea how you can make a routine for yourself. And if you're a school student or someone whose college or school is early in the morning, so you can just shift your time. Like सुबह जो मेरा morning routine था, you can just keep it waking up, getting ready, having breakfast, and leaving for the college or school. And after your school and college, you can come, you can study and all, and then in the evening you can do exercise or walk or your hobbies. Just prefer eating healthy, not बाहर का खाना, and whatever you're eating, just keep a calorie control, calorie check kind of. I'm trying to do that these days. Okay, so that's it for the video, guys. Yes, thank you so much for watching. But I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're feeling to make a routine for yourself as well. देखो guys, मैंने भी routine बनाया है. I'm not stick to it yet, so we can work it out together. Comment down below how are you making your routine and how are you trying to stick to it. Let's do this together. That is what I like about my YouTube thing, that I wanna grow with my subscribers. I don't wanna grow and then show my subscribers that how did I do this. I wanna do it with them. I wanna take their help as well and help them as well. So yeah, if you like the video, like it, subscribe it, press the bell notification, comment down below, and also share it with your friends, share it with the people who you think जिनका routine बैठना चाहिए ASAP. So yeah, bye, love you.